To assemble the device, you will need a Phillips screwdriver. Carefully open the box with a sharp knife and remove the instruction manual. Remove the extension wands and the airflow control handle. Lift the vacuum cleaner from the box. Release the latches on the side of the container to remove the power head. The cartridge filter is pre-installed. Remove all remaining accessories and attachments from the container, including the suction hose, foam filter for wet use, dust bag, crevice tool, floor nozzle, utility nozzle, dusting brush, casters, and screw packet.